Subtracting decimals. Let's take a decimal problem. How about 245 and 14 100ths. Let's subtract from that 128 and 53 100ths. That's a 5. So we need to write the problem vertically by stacking the decimals. So we say 245 and 14 100ths subtract 128 and 53 100ths. So then we just start subtracting. We say 4 minus 3 is 1. We can't take 5 away from 1, so we need to borrow. Let's borrow from the 5 and turn that into a 4. So now we have 11 minus 5, and now we have 6. We cannot take 8 away from 4, so we need to borrow. This becomes a 3. 14 minus 8 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1, and 2 minus 1 is 1. And the last step is you drop that decimal straight on down to give you 116 and 61 100ths. And that's a difference, because a difference is what we call the answer to a subtraction problem.